Hey Moon Babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a chatty get ready with me. Let's talk about our goals and projects for 2018 and why you shouldn't change yourself in the new year, sis. New year, same boss. Who you about to change for? Nobody. That's right. Ooh, get it, sis. All right, I see you. Ooh, y'all already know. If the video starts out with me looking hurt, someone's about to get slayed. Welcome back, Moon Babes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for all the love in my most recent video, as always. Today's video is going to be about 2018 and all the things I'm not doing this year.
You know what? Well, that's over. It's canceled.
So I am already prepped and primed using my Lancome eye moisturizer and my Fenty Beauty soft matte primer. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know this is a Fenty Beauty channel. Who else is coming on this channel? Who? Nobody. So 2018 is, you know what, it's not even the fact that it's 2018, it's just that it's a new year. And I try not to get all like locked up in the new year, new me type of feeling. In fact, like I'm low-key kind of against it, but it is a new year and I think that does give kind of like a breath of fresh air for a lot of people. But I think the best way to have a breath of fresh air is to just do what you did last year. I know that sounds funny to say, but in the sense, like, I mean it. Last year I started a lot of new things. I started a YouTube channel. I started a comic concept. Okay, that'll be coming out eventually sometime this year, hopefully. A rough draft somewhere. And most of all, I started going to the gym, which I think is the biggest one for a lot of people, is going to the gym. Ooh, what was that? That was something. Most of all, this year I want to be the same exact person I was last year, with just more focus. I don't want to be someone new or someone different or someone that I'm not genuinely. I just want to be a me who has gone through a very long and rough 2017 caring about what I do and making sure I put the effort to continue doing it. I think a lot of people, like, the new year comes in and they're like, ooh, new me, I'm gonna do things I've never done, da 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 da, I'm gonna do this. And it's like so much pressure, like, on yourself to do something that you've never done and then completely succeed in it. Like, I hate that feeling. I hate it. The way I like looking at things is, I'm going to try this, and if I fail, I fail. But there is tomorrow, and I may not have gotten 100%, but at least I didn't get like 0%. New Year's always puts so many people on like so much stress. Like, people buy like a gym membership during this time, they start like an insane crazy diet, they whatever, cut all their hair off, whatever it may be. And to me it just seems like you're kind of setting yourself up for failure in a sense, because you're doing something you've never done and you're going like full force at it, but you don't really have the energy to go for full force at it. Like, a new year does not mean you have like these new like super abilities and like now you're like pumped up, it's the new year and like you've been refreshed. You're still the same person you were like 24 hours before the ball dropped. And you should be doing things like a little at a time, if that makes sense. Like, last year I went to the gym, or I started going to the gym, and I think like the first week I was like really on it, and then like I slowly kind of drifted off, and then it was like spotty for like a month, and then I started going with Mo, and then it was spotty for a little bit in between, and now we're going back at a little bit, you know, a little bit better attendance rate, but it's still the same thing. Like, going to the gym in a new year does not suddenly mean that I'm going to go all the time, every day, at the same time. In fact, just might not even go today. And if I don't, that's okay. Yeah, so it's 2018 and things I'm not gonna do is change who I am, basically. I'm going to be the same exact Soraya I was from last year, except this year I'm going to have a lot more learning experience underneath my belt. I am not going to give up on a lot of things that I put on my plate, because I do definitely put a lot of things on my plate. Probably way more than I should, but there are things that are near and dear to my heart, and I want to see them through one way or another. So I was talking to Mo like the other day or something, and she was dead ass like,
your makeup videos suck.
like just no filter, like not a care in the world. She was just like, they suck, sis. You need to do something about it. She was low-key like, you need to stop making them. But I am determined to see the numbers in my makeup videos grow. Even though I know makeup tutorials low-key boring, like they are. Like they're low-key boring. I feel like if you've seen one smoky eye tutorial, you've seen them all. There ain't nothing left. That's it. It's almost low-key funny how much better my hair videos do, because I never got on YouTube wanting to really do hair videos. Like, I just didn't. And one of the main reasons for that is because like every single black girl on YouTube does hair videos, and the hair video numbers always do fantastic, but the makeup numbers never do good. Like, I don't really get it, because there be girls who are really good at makeup, but the minute they put like a hair video up, there's so many views on it, and like it always outshines their makeup video. No, like I don't know. I always thought that was weird. So this year, y'all gonna get these makeup videos, alright? And y'all gonna like them. Y'all gonna like them. Because we can do more than just thousands of hair videos. Like, we can do so much more. And we are going to support each other, whether y'all want to or not. Y'all gonna get this makeup. I feel like I have porcelain skin. That's so ugly. So I want to know, you guys, what are some of your New Year's resolutions? Are you guys giving up something? Are you guys doing something different this year? Or are you just gonna be the same old person you were next year with a slight improvement? Let me know. Let me know in the comments box below what your goal for 2018 is. Are y'all going back to school? You finally gonna get a job? That one just attacked someone. That question just attacked somebody. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. This is my favorite blush. Oh, y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. Y'all do not understand. So I'm going to finish up the rest of my face because I'm done jibber jabbing, and then we're gonna move on to hair. That's gonna be cute. That's gonna be real cute. Hey Moon Babes, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's videos. Y'all know it means the absolute world to me. Do me a favor though, and make sure you're following me on both my Instagram and my Snapchat. I've been without a phone for a whole week, but now I got it and I'm ready to be lit, alright? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the support in my last few videos. Y'all know I love it. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!